Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay guys, how's it going? So I know this is probably like a really weird angle and I look pretty weird, but I'm coming to you guys at a spare of my moment. You guys are hearing this fan is clicking, but nevertheless I am taking down my hair today. Today is November 1st, so my hair has been up for 3 months and 1 week. The reason why I'm taking down my hair is because I'm dealing with a lot of shedding, and I don't know if you guys have ever felt like when you have your braids in your head, like you feel bald, but I know I'm not bald. And then now that I'm looking at them, like I always feel like this, like, oh no girl, like don't do it, don't do this, and then you do it. But I really want to take down my hair. For one, I leave Atlanta on the 3rd of November, so I have I have the rest of today, which is Monday, then I have all day Tuesday, and then I got half of Wednesday. I'm gonna go to the airport, be heading to the airport by 2 p.m. because my flight takes off at 5:30, and I really don't want to see my boo thing with my hair fuzzy at the front, and I really want to check on my hair. It's been up and I've been noticing that I've been dealing with a lot of shedding. I've done a protein treatment, which is like not avocado, has been mayo, eggs, and honey. And while I still have really good water pressure, I want to try to do that again before I leave, and I want to wash my hair out. But I was just like, I asked my husband, like, should I take down my hair? And he's like, no, you should do it when you get home. But then I'm like, when I get home, I don't have no good shower pressure. So I really want to take down my hair, and then I don't want to see my husband with my hair grown out like this, which he knows what I be doing with my hair, but I'm just like, it's 3 months and I really want to check on my hair. Like really, that's what I really want to do, is like check on my hair, see if it looks thin. And while I have the water pressure, I really should have been taking down my hair 2 days ago, but now I'm gonna be trying to rush to take all of my hair down in these next today and tomorrow, so I can be washing it tomorrow to try to put it up in a style for it to set tomorrow night for me to get on the plane Wednesday. So you guys, yeah, like I said, today is November 1st and I'm gonna take my hair down. And then besides, like, this is my birthday month. Like, I turned 32 on the 28th of November, and I really don't want braids in my hair during that time. And then really because my hair is shedding, like I'm like, I want to see what my hair looks like. So that's why I'm taking down my hair, you guys. So I did not last the 8 months like I thought I was. I really thought that I was gonna last the 8 months, and I didn't. Do I feel disappointed in myself? No, I sure don't, because my hair was up for 3 months and 1 week, which is fine, good enough for me. But I just want to see what my hair looks like. I need to check on my hair, and then I need to start doing a whole bunch of different protein treatments and moisturizing treatments. And if my hair don't like braids anymore, but I really think it's because I had COVID, that's why my hair shedded. But if my hair really don't like braids anymore, you guys, you probably won't see braids on my channel anymore, like, or maybe not a long-term protective style, but you guys will be seeing my little wash and goes that I've been doing, my particular wash and goes. So yeah guys, I just wanted to jump in here really quick and show you guys what my hair is looking like, the state of my hair, and then come back in here and show you guys how much shed hair I lost. I'll do it all in this one video. And then I will do another video showing you guys what I'm doing to prep my hair, how I'm going to style my hair. And yeah, like, my cousin has a lot of hair products here, so I know I'm gonna be fine with hair products. So I'll see what I'm going to get my hands into, but I really gotta stop talking because it is 5:29 and I'm gonna try to take down at least the most of my head tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow I can get my hair washed by noon. So we'll see how it happens. I'll pop back in here and tell you guys an update. And sorry for the clicking, and I don't have no ring light on. Like, this is all natural sunlight here in Atlanta shitter. Okay guys. Okay, so it's literally like 2 a.m. It's 2:05 and I just got done with my hair, and I literally put my head wrap on because I was just like, okay, I'm not gonna deal with it or detangle it or anything, but I was like, I need to come to you guys and let you guys know how I'm feeling right now. But I probably shouldn't because it's so late. But I'm just like, oh. And you guys, this is gonna be bad lighting. And I'm trying to find a place to put y'all. Bad lighting. But what I have to say, actually, let me try to, oh my goodness. Okay, so I got done with my hair. I have not detangled the ends of it, but I tried to kind of do some detangling on the roots of my hair. But what I am noticing, my hair is a lot thinner. Normally, my hair looks like a lion's mane when I take down my braids, and it's not giving me a lion's mane right now. It's giving me like, okay, she got long hair, you know, it might be thick, but it's average. I noticed that my hair is a lot thinner. So, that is very interesting. I have not detangled it. I'm gonna try to work up some type of concoction tomorrow and detangle it. And I'm not sure how much hair I'm gonna lose because I just rebraided the front of my head, like this part. I rebraided that on the 8th of September and I lost a lot of hair then too. So I'm just like, I don't know if it's gonna get any bigger or any fuller. I still have this one braid in my hair that I need to check my length for you guys, but I really just wanted to come in here and tell you guys. I noticed that my hair is a lot thinner, but I don't know if it looks thinner because I had bigger sections. So maybe that could be the reason why my hair looks thinner, but normally it doesn't look this thin when I take down my braids. But I'm gonna try to do something with it tomorrow I'm gonna make some type of something up to help me detangle it, because I don't want to detangle it dry. And normally I think I kind of do finger detangle it dry, but this time I was just kind of like, maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should put some type of jelly or something on it so that I'm not pulling out more hair than what I need to pull out. And because it's so late, I'm pretty well over it. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna put my hair up, and I'm gonna go to sleep, perhaps. I know I probably look super tired, but I mean, it's 2 o'clock here, and that means that it's only what, just now 11:10 in Seattle. So I'm not super tired. Like, that's what I've been dealing with since I've been here, is the big time difference. It's a 3-hour time difference, if you guys don't know. So yeah, I'm not super tired, but I am tired. I can't remember what time I said I started unbraiding my hair, but I think it was like probably 5 something, and I'm done. So whatever time that is, I'm done. But yeah, you know, I don't know. I'm gonna just evaluate it tomorrow. I hear my son. I gotta go. Okay, it wasn't my son, but I still gotta go. Good night, y'all.